In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Fresha support efficiently and get the assistance you need for your Fresha for Business account. Whether you're encountering a technical issue, have a question, or need some guidance, reaching out to the support team can be done with a few simple steps. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Fresha for Business. This is the specialized platform designed for professionals like you, offering a suite of tools tailored to manage and grow your business efficiently. Once you're on the site, look for the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and support options available. After clicking Login, you'll notice an option that says Fresha for Professionals. Click on it. This selection ensures that you're accessing the platform with the right set of features and support tailored specifically for professional accounts. Moving on, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Clicking this allows for a seamless login experience using your Google account. It's fast, secure, and convenient, eliminating the need to remember another password. Choose the Google account you want to use for this purpose. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Fresha account. Next, you'll be taken to your Fresha dashboard. Here, look for your profile photo, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile photo will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Help and Support. Clicking here is your first step towards getting answers and assistance. It's designed to guide you toward resolving common issues and provide detailed information about using Fresha effectively. Before reaching out directly to customer support, Fresha offers a smart feature. You have the option to type in your question to check for an article related to your inquiry. This self-service tool can be incredibly efficient, offering immediate answers to commonly asked questions and how-to guides that can solve your problem without needing to wait for a person to respond. However, if your question is more specific, or if you haven't found the answer you were looking for in the provided articles, Fresha has made it easy to get in touch directly. In some cases, going back to the main Fresha page and selecting customer support could be your alternative route. This option is designed for broader inquiries and general support needs. For a more direct approach, look for the Contact Us option. This can be found either in the Help and Support section after logging in, or directly on the Fresha main page under Customer Support. Clicking on Contact Us opens up several lines of communication, depending on your preference and the nature of your inquiry. It's about giving you the choice on how you want to reach out and ask for assistance, making sure your experience is as smooth and as efficient as possible. Let me offer you a few additional tips to ensure your query is resolved quickly. Be specific about your issue or question, provide any relevant details or context, and if possible, include screenshots or documentation that can help the support team understand and address your case more effectively. The more information you provide, the easier it is for the support team to help you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to get in touch with Fresha support. Whether you're looking for answers through articles, need to contact customer support for more personalized assistance, or simply want to learn more about the features Fresha offers, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Remember, Fresha is committed to providing a supportive and responsive experience for its professionals, so don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. Your success is their priority, and the support team is there to ensure you get the most out of Fresha for Business.